I'll show you how to monetize news in today's video, utilizing a crazy Google tactic. This technique I'm about to demonstrate is accessible to everyone and may be used whenever and wherever. All you need is a phone or laptop with an internet connection, neither experience nor knowledge are required. This is something you can accomplish from the convenience of your home. We'll show you how to use Google, one of the most popular search engines online, to earn a lot of money while conducting online searches. Okay, before we start, welcome to the channel. Zilliv Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you are new on this channel and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now type Google News into the Google search bar. Hit enter once you're finished, you will arrive to this page immediately. Select the top link. After doing so, you will arrive on this page. If you must use this platform to earn money from Google, concentrate your attention to the news categories on the left. You can see that we have the business category, we have the technology category, we have the entertainment category, we have the sport category, the science category, and finally we have the health category. If we select any of the links in this category, we'll be taken to another page and presented with content associated with that particular category. Using this video as an example, let's choose science. So, let us click on science. Now right here, there is a heading that includes the latest, the environment, the outer space, the physics, the genetics, and finally we have wildlife. Since these are the stories that are gaining interest, it is crucial and important that you focus on the most recent stories or articles. As you can see, there is a ton of fresh, trending stuff on the most recent news feed as we navigate through it. We will select and open one of the items from the news feed. Let us choose this one for example. Click and let it load. Now, as you can see, the article is open. Now that you've gone through the article, you may examine it for yourself. As you can see, this is a full article. What you are going to do next is either copy the whole article or just some part of it. We will merely copy a portion of the material for the purposes of this particular video. So, we are going to highlight, right-click, and copy part of it. Once you are done, visit this page right here, spinbot.com. This is a rewriting tool that you can use to edit the content we just copied online. In general, this website can completely free of charge rewrite any article you wish to reproduce or modify. All you need to do is click right here, where it says, paste text, and automatically, the text you copied will be pasted right here. Next, click on this arrow right here, which says spin it. Once you do that, the article will automatically rewrite itself once you are finished. Actually, this is an AI tool that has the ability to automatically rewrite content. You must now ensure that the article you translated is wholly unique and bears no resemblance to the source material. Okay, now we'll be showing how you can profit from the content you just translated. I'll show 3 websites to you that will provide you cash merely for submitting the article we just translated. Make sure to watch this video through to the end if you're serious about getting money, and keep in mind that the more websites you visit, the more money you'll be able to earn. The first website on our list is called eatingwell.com. This is how the website looks. As you can see, there are many health articles on this particular website. You will submit your health articles to this website, and they will pay you for doing so. In fact, when it comes to submitting articles, eatingwell.com reaches an audience of over 10 million monthly users and over 5 million admirers through social media channels. If you visit an eatingwell.com writer's guidelines page, you'll see the criteria needed. To expand its team of contributors, this website is actively seeking additional writers, recipe creators, and photographers. In order to gain a sense of the subjects they discuss and ensure that your idea is a suitable fit, if you haven't worked with them before, please familiarize yourself with Eating Well. When you are ready to pitch your idea, just sign up. After you do that, all you will have to do is submit what you've copied and then wait for a response. Be sure to read their pitching instructions under the topic areas on this website. Be sure to give this strategy a try and expect to receiving at least $50 to $100 for each article you submit. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. The next website is called sierraclub.org. You can submit an article you just wrote to this website and get paid. It is another website that accepts articles. Now, this website genuinely pays you $1 per word. Get ready to make $1,000 for only one article if you can write a 1,000-word piece. That is just absurd. This means you can make a lot of money with this website. You will be performing the same tasks as you performed on eatingwell.com, so register, submit your own application, and if accepted, get paid up to $1,000. The last website is called dailyjstore.org. Now, it is obvious that you will submit the articles you just produced. In order to contact the editors or get started on this site, you will scroll all the way down and click here, where it says, Contact the editors. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to this page, where you can post articles and wait for feedback. There is no restriction on the number of articles you can submit. Just be careful not to submit the same article to this website more than once. You may also earn $50 to $100 for every piece. Make sure to attempt all of these websites we mentioned in this video, because doing so will significantly increase your chances of getting your post accepted, which will enable you to earn the most amount of money. And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.